Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel where I share healthy and delicious recipes with you. Today, I am going to show you how to make garlic water and the 10 health benefits of drinking it. Garlic is a superfood with numerous health benefits, and this garlic water recipe is a simple and easy way to incorporate it into your daily routine. Garlic water recipe ingredients. Take 3-4 cloves of garlic, 1 liter of water, lemon juice optional. 1. Crush or finely chop the garlic cloves. 2. Boil 1 liter of water in a saucepan. 3. Add the crushed garlic to the boiling water and let it simmer for 5 minutes. 4. Remove the saucepan from the heat and let it cool to room temperature. 5. Strain the water into a glass bottle or pitcher. 6. Squeeze in some lemon juice for added flavor, if desired. 7. Store the garlic water in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. The 10 health benefits of drinking garlic water. Boosts immunity. Garlic has antiviral and antibacterial properties that help boost the immune system. Lowers blood pressure. Garlic has been shown to lower high blood pressure in some individuals. Reduces cholesterol levels. Garlic has been found to lower bad cholesterol levels in the blood. Supports cardiovascular health. Garlic has been shown to improve cardiovascular health by reducing the risk of heart disease. Detoxifies the body. Garlic helps to remove toxins from the body, keeping it healthy and functioning properly. Promotes healthy digestion. Garlic has been found to improve digestion and reduce the symptoms of digestive disorders. Supports brain health. Garlic has been shown to improve cognitive function and reduce the risk of dementia and Alzheimer's disease. Aids in weight loss. Garlic has been found to reduce body weight and improve metabolism. Eases menstrual cramps. Garlic has been found to relieve menstrual cramps and other symptoms associated with menstruation. Reduces inflammation. Garlic has been found to have anti-inflammatory properties, helping to reduce inflammation throughout the body. And there you have it, folks. The garlic water recipe and the 10 health benefits of drinking it. This simple and easy to make drink is a great way to incorporate garlic into your daily routine and reap its numerous health benefits. Give it a try and let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next